Define reflexes. Reflexes are neuronal pathways that produce rapid, automatic, and predictable response to a stimulus. The components of the reflexes are the receptor, afferent sensory neuron, synapse, efferent motor neuron, and effector organ. Types of reflexes: somatic, example is knee-jerk stretch reflex, and autonomic, example is pupillary light reflex. So let's discuss the physiology of muscle stretch reflex. It is a monosynaptic reflex. The stimulus is muscle stretch, which leads to contraction of the muscle spindle. The sensory afferents are 1A and 2. These fibers synapse with the efferent motor neuron, which is A alpha. The effector is extrafusal muscle fibers, which contract. What is reciprocal inhibition? So the sensory neurons synapse with the inhibitory interneurons, which innervate antagonistic muscles. They relaxes them. So what is the use of the reciprocal inhibition? It is used to maintain muscle tone, aid posture, and prevent injury by opposing the overstretching of muscle. Now, what is inverse stretch reflex? It involves relaxation of a muscle in response to a strong stretch. So when there is excessive muscle stretch, the Golgi tendons detected. It leads to activation of inhibitory motor neurons. It leads to relaxation of the muscle and prevents the muscle damage. Now we'll discuss about nociceptive flexor or withdrawal reflex. It is a polysynaptic reflex. It protects the body from damaging stimuli. The stimulus is pain. Afferents are A delta and C fibers. They synapse with the interneurons, and the efferents are A alpha motor neurons. The response is contraction of the flexor muscles of the affected limb. What is cross-extensor reflex? It occurs in conjunction with the flexor reflex. So the spinal interneurons, they also connect with the contralateral alpha motor neurons. It leads to the contraction of the extensor muscles and relaxation of the flexor muscles. So when the affected limb is contracting, the other limb is helping to maintain the posture and the balance.